What's up everybody, Christian Haramansky here, Century 21 AA Realty, and the video I'm going to go into today is staging your home, getting it ready to sell. So some little things to do outside is power washing your siding, your porch, and your steps, cleaning the door, making it look nice and pretty much new when you clean it. And even if it looks a little run down, maybe you can even paint it to kind of match your home, make it look even nicer. Cleaning your windows is another thing. Cleaning the gutters. Curb appeal is massive. If somebody is interested in your home, the first thing they're going to look at is the outside of the house, and that's going to kind of tell them, do I want to see the inside of this person's home? If they see the outside and they love the outside, they're definitely going to want to see the inside. Another big reason why you definitely want to have your home pretty much super clean, and especially the outside, power washing and everything like that, because photos are super important. You definitely want to have great photos. The first step of any buyer's purchase and home buying experience is going online, especially nowadays, looking at the photos and seeing from the photos, do they want to come in person. Okay, so another thing is, you can plant some flowers on the outside, maybe put some nice plants that make your home look more appealing and nice and want to attract buyers to come in and view it. Obviously keep your grass cut and well maintained. Keep your gut well maintained. I guess that one too. You don't want to have like a showing and then your gut hanging out. That's funny. Like before, if the porch and or door look run down, just give it a nice paint job, make it look nice and new. And if you have a pool, just keep it clean periodically. You don't want to have just a pile of leaves or whatever type of debris. Maybe your neighbor's trampoline flew over the fence and you have a trampoline in your pool. But you lift that trampoline right out of that pool and keep yourself a nice clean pool, because buyers will definitely appreciate it. Some things to do indoors is obviously get rid of clutter. You don't want your countertops, your bedrooms, your living room, your dining room just filled with stuff that you have. Good way to do that is either give it away, put it into a storage unit, or maybe even make some money off a garage sale. Just look at all the stuff that you really don't need and just sell it off or give it out, whatever floats your boat. And then kitchens and bathrooms are a big selling point, so you definitely want to keep those clean. You want to take everything off the countertop. You want to have all your appliances cleaned. You want to obviously have your toilet bowl cleaned. You want to have your bathtub cleaned. You want to have the sink cleaned, the mirrors, whatever it is. You definitely want to keep that clean and pretty much clear of any clutter as well. Don't have this one. I don't know if this one's just personal for me. Don't have your fridge cluttered with like magnets, paperwork, calendars, schedules, whatever it is, because a lot of the times when I walk into a home and I see just a fridge compiled with all this unnecessary stuff, it like takes away from the kitchen, and all I notice is pretty much the fridge and how cluttered it is. So that may be an OCD thing for me, but hey, why not just take off all the stuff that you really don't need on there. Maybe a calendar is fine, and on the side of the fridge, not on the main part of the fridge, not on the door frame. But that is something that also I've noticed helps, kind of show the features of the kitchen rather than the magnet of the cats that you may have and or want in your life. Clean your hardwood floors and steam clean your carpets. You definitely want buyers to walk in, see how everything is spick and span. You want clean hardwood floors, and you don't want your carpet smelling like dogs, cats, or feet, or whatever it is. I know that's gross, but that does happen. So you don't want a buyer coming in and not being able to buy your house because of any odors. So that's another one. Febreze is king and or queen. I don't judge. Um, so Febreze or Glade. Glade is good too. So have a clean dining room table. Not, don't have too much stuff on it, but don't have anything on it either. So maybe like a nice little cloth or whatever, and maybe like a bowl of fruit on the middle. That works well. Or get creative. If you have ideas, you can decorate yourself. Furniture as well. You don't want too much furniture. You want to have like just staged well, that when somebody comes in, it looks very cozy, it looks very inviting, and they can definitely picture themselves living in the home. Okay, for open houses, a big plus is definitely having some nice music that is also very cozy and inviting, and why not a candle? A candle that just smells like fresh baked cookies. So when somebody walks in, they're like, I can totally live here, because I have a craving for cookies and sugar, and this is my type of home. So that could also help out. Like I said before, rearrange your furniture to make it look more inviting. So symmetry is always usually works very well. So couch, maybe like couch, TV, chair, whatever. Just look very symmetrical. Make it look very open, so that it feels like there's a lot of space in the living room, in the dining room, the kitchen, whatever it may be. Have the toilet seats down. Nobody really wants to walk into a house with the toilet seat up. That just tends to work. When the toilet seat's down, it just seems a little more inviting. So that's what it is. Just make the person feel like it's cozy and inviting and spacious, because everybody loves room. Everybody wants as much room as possible, and especially for storage. I mean, a lot of people have a lot of stuff, so if your home has a lot of storage, you definitely want to open some stuff up. You want to take that clutter out and just show people how big your house actually is. For bedrooms, have the beds made, bedrooms neat and tidy without any clutter. And the closets, you can show spaciousness in the closets if you remove maybe up to 20 to 30% of clothes that you really don't wear. You can give that away. You can sell that off in a garage sale, or you can just put them in boxes, whatever it is. And if you remove 20-30% of your clothes in your closet, it makes your closet look a lot bigger. And a lot of people love closet space, so that's something that would be a great feature for your bedroom. Is people seeing that, hey, not only is the bedroom big because you cleaned it up, tidied it up, but also there's a lot of closet space for clothes, shoes, whatever it may be. Okay, and keep your boiler and hot water pretty much maintained and cleaned as well. There's a lot of people. That's extremely important, because a well-maintained hot water and boiler means they last longer, and people definitely don't want to pay for a new boiler and hot water, because that can cost a lot of money. All right, so these are some things that you can look into if you are deciding to put your home on the market. If you're preparing your home for an open house, these are ways to help you kind of get rid of the clutter, stage your home properly. And I believe there's companies out there as well that actually do it professionally. So especially if you have like a vacant home and there is no furniture to work with, you can probably just hire one of these companies to stage it professionally. I think you like rent out their furniture or whatever for a certain period of time, and then once the transaction's over, they just come back and take their furniture. All right, so again, Christian Hermansky, Century 21 AE Realty, the red shirt realtor. I didn't have a button up today, but it's still a red shirt, so it works, counts. If you have any questions, if you are looking to possibly put your home on the market, give me a call, text me. My information is always at the end of the videos. And as always, until next time.